So in my quest to open every single package that I have, and I have a lot of them, I'm going to be opening this one today. And I can tell that this comes from AliExpress. That is the type of packaging they usually use. And yeah, let's see what's in it. I can feel it's soft. So I kind of know that it's going to be like ear cushions for my Arctis 7 because it broke. So we're going to set it up together. Ooh, and look, would you look at that? We have this and we have that. Nice. Those were really cheap. I'm going to put the price on screen right now. Sorry, I had to get rid of my mouse pad because it looked disgusting on camera and in real life too. So we have those earmuffs and those are going to be for my SteelSeries Arctis 7. So this is a pretty expensive headset, especially for the sound quality. And after a couple years of using it, one of the earmuffs basically got torn off, right? It looked like this. And it got broken right off the seam. So I needed a replacement. Also, those are disgusting. I'm so sorry. I probably should have warned you. I washed them and it seemed like it got dirtier after I washed it. I'm gonna completely remove it. God, this is disgusting. I'm a little ashamed. So it has this little backing thing that you're supposed to slip in. Not a great design, but basically the original ones are gonna do this eventually. It's actually hard to rip it. Okay. This is what happens, and then it basically will have nothing to hold on to the headset. But that was in the past, okay? So we have, but that was in the past. Now we have brand new ones. I'm actually gonna go with white so I can just change the look a little bit. So let's open them up. Okay, this is more leathery. I don't know if you can really see the material. So this feels super soft, but definitely, yeah, more faux leather type versus this one, the original ones that are more textile. Okay, so let's see for the installation. You can see that little lip there is what you're why you gotta be so disgusting, man? And we're just gonna have to slip it on, I'm guessing. Okay, slips right in. And we'll probably have to pull. I'm gonna laugh and also cry if it tears it right now while being brand new. Seems a little small. That's what she said. Nope, it's working. Just have to pulling all the way through. Again, before you start typing, I hear you typing. Oh my God, why is it so disgusting? This guy is disgusting or whatever. I've had it for years, okay? So yes, that little sticker is gonna get yellow. Oh, there we go. All right. So we can see that the lip is not exactly where the seam is. It's a little further. You can see the seam is there and then the lip is there and then it goes over it. So hopefully that design will help it not rip apart as soon as this one did, even though it did survive a couple years, to be fair. Before I put the other one, I actually want to show you the material on the black ones because it's completely different. Now we have a material that is more reminiscent of the original ones, but that's pretty cool, especially considering the price. So those are definitely, yeah, it breathes, but not that much. I definitely thought, okay, so we can also see the backing is going to be that little plasticky rubbery material. So this seems like it's very close to the original ones. Yeah, absolutely. Oops. So that's the original, of course, and that is the brand new one. When it comes to the material, we have something similar, although I have to say I think I prefer this one. When it comes to the look, this one seems to be a tad bit smaller, even though it doesn't translate on camera that much. But this seems to be a little smaller. But anyways, just to tell you that you can get multiple textures and you can also get multiple designs. I will try my best to put them on screen. I just picked the two first ones that were kind of classic. I really don't know if there's a direction. This part seems a little smaller. This part seems bigger. So I'm guessing this part is like the bottom. I don't know. Maybe I'm imagining this, but let's do this. Again, we're going to go over the lip. We're going to have to figure out how long it's going to take to be ultra dirty. I feel like I'm pulling on this a lot. It's pretty scary, but there you go. It is secured and it's looking brand new. I love this. I also saw that this thing right here, you can the headband basically, you can also remove that and also replace it. And they have multiple designs. This is all coming from AliExpress, by the way. I think I said that in the beginning, but other than that, it's just a piece of aluminum up there. So that's pretty cool. If you really want to change the complete look of your headset, you can do that without having to buy a brand new headset. And just like that, it looks like I have a brand new SteelSeries Arctis 7. What does it look like when I'm wearing it? Hopefully I made a good choice with the... Let's do this. Oh, I missed it. I missed this headset so much. It really... Oh. Okay, this is better than the original. I'll tell you right now. This feels better than the original. Overall, it feels like it's embracing my ears better. But also, I feel like it's more like soundproof than the original. Probably because it breathes less. But yeah, I'm having to speak kind of loud because... yeah, it really muffles the sound from outside. So far, so good. If there's an update or something, I'll let you know. But in the meantime, I will put a link in the description to that exact product. By the way, this channel is, well, I am an AliExpress affiliate from now on. So it's pretty cool. I'm pretty happy about it, which means that when I put AliExpress links in the description, I might get a commission. I personally order from AliExpress, as you can see. They didn't send those for free or anything. So I'm super happy that I get to share some amazing deals with you and you guys get to support the channel. Anyways, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.